420 manual, and the seat cover's a bit tricky to fit up, so today I'm going to run through how to do it. First of all, get the back on, set it all up nicely. Got to bend the seat just a little bit to get the fronts over. Set it all up so it looks nice. Now we're going to pop the side over. It's just simply a matter of rolling it around, which is a bit hard, but does work. As you can see, it's just popped around the side. Going to save to this side. I did say it was hard. There we go. It's popped over. Now we've just got to hand iron it into shape. Same with the other side. There you go. There it's all fitted. No straps. Nothing to break or stretch or let go. That's it. All fitted up nicely.